Hello everyone! This video's purpose is to present the new FortiManager 6.4 feature. During this video, I will walk you through the most important enhancement that we have added in this new version. Management extensions, SD-WAN Orchestrator and Wireless Manager. We are now able to run application on the FortiManager host. Policy granularity feature per policy log for admins. If in version 6.2 the admin had to lock entire policy package in order to perform changes on it, now we have granularity to only lock one policy, and the rest of the policies in the policy package remained open for the other concurrent admin sessions. Restricted IPS admin profiles. This new type of admin profile allow only to create, modify IPS profiles and install them on FortiGates. New Fabric connectors. We are continuing expanding our Fabric connectors to private and public cloud vendors and identity providers. Fabric automation. Now we have the ability to perform firmware update when onboarding the AP or switch model device. With an enhanced task monitor, we can provide more insight into each step that is performed by the model device auto-link feature. Okay, let's start with the management extensions. We have expanded our single pane of glass management capabilities by running applications on FortiManager host. The SD-WAN Orchestrator and Wireless Manager can be securely pulled from the registry servers and installed on the FortiManager VM or high-end appliance. The management extensions installation can be triggered from the GUI or from the CLI. Once the installation is completed, the administrator can access in the same browser page the desired application. The SD-WAN Orchestrator is integrated with FortiManagers via APIs. Comparing to the built-in SD-WAN template approach, this extension provides a streamlined workflow to allow you easily deploy SD-WAN with automated AD-VPN setup. Let's see now how easy it is to run the management extension app. The installation process is simple. When you click on the Wireless Manager tile, it will enable Docker app from the backend. The FortiManager will contact FortiGuard registry to download the container. As soon as the container is downloaded and starting, it only takes few minutes before the WLM becomes ready. We will take a look to see how Wireless Manager works with FortiManager. After you add FortiGates to Wireless Manager, in this beta version, Wireless Manager communicates directly with FortiGates to monitor the APs. Operation of devices within the wireless network managed by Wireless Manager involves the management of various devices, device groups, the log system, diagnostic tools, maps management, and so on. The Operate menu in the left navigation pane provides a way to access the various network operation tools through the following section: Inventory, Grouping, Tools, and Maps. Those features make the Wireless Manager a powerful app that integrates with FortiManager, so the enterprises can take advantage of it for consolidating the wireless network management and security management in the same pane of glass. The next new feature we will look at is per policy lock, which is available when workspace mode is enabled. If in FortiManager 6.2 an administrator had to lock the entire ADOM, the policy package, or the device DB in order to perform changes, blocking other administrators to work simultaneously on the same policy package or device. The 6.4 brings new granularity. We can now have multiple admins working in the same time on the same policy package as we allow only per policy lock feature. This means if admin 1 is editing a policy, then the admin2, which is concurrently logged in and using the same FortiManager and the same policy package, will see this policy logged by the admin1. This means the lock is removed after the admin1 saves the changes. So the policy is available again for editing. We'll continue next with another feature which enhances the role-based access control, particularly useful in enterprises with the multiple security teams, where the restricted admin profiles gives an advantage. We created the restricted IPS admin role, which allow only to manage specific IPS profiles and install them to a selection of devices. This role-based access will permit multiple teams to manage specific security tasks on the FortiGate. Let's log in using this IPS restricted admin. As you can see, our access is limited to only IPS profiles. We can add, edit, or install it to specific FortiGates or a list of FortiGates. Next, let's have a look at the new Fabric connectors we added in 6.4. I would like to mention here the new LA Cloud and Symantec endpoint protection integration. We also added new identity providers connectors, FortiClient EMS, FortiNAC, and VMware vCenter. In 6.4, we can automate the firmware update during FortiAP or FortiSwitch onboarding process. For example, when we add the FortiSwitch model device, we have the option to enforce the firmware version, so once the real FortiSwitch connects to the FortiGate, its firmware will be automatically upgraded to the specified version. Now let's have a quick look how easy it is to set up this. We will use FortiSwitch Central Management, and we will add a FortiSwitch model device. During the model device setup, we'll enter the switch name, serial number, and we'll choose to enforce the firmware to the latest build. The process finished successfully. Now we'll connect the switch to the FortiGate. So once the FortiSwitch is online, the auto link feature will start firmware upgrade process and provisioning the switch with the configuration. So as we can see here, the firmware will be upgraded to build 5523. In 6.4, we automate visibility for the zero-touch onboarding. So we enhance the task monitor to provide more insights into each step that is performed by the model device auto link feature. Let's have a quick look here. The progress bar shows the percentage of each task with details on the time each step takes. We also support filtering function here to show historical and any ongoing auto-link related events. In the end, let's have a quick recap of the new FortiManager 6.4 features we talked about today. Management extensions, SD-WAN Orchestrator and Wireless Manager, policy granularity feature per policy lock, restricted IPS admin profiles, new Fabric connectors, and Fabric automation. I hope you have enjoyed the FortiManager new feature presentation, so you can try and explore more features available in 6.4. My name is Bogdan Ungureanu and I'm FortiManager Product Manager. Thank you for watching.